missing your laughter and your warm embrace, your voice in my heart, and the words that you spoke. You taught me how to be strong, how to be brave. So here's to you, Daddy, up in the great blue sky, knowing you're watching from above as I send all my love on the wings of a dove. Daddy, happy Father's Day in heaven. I'll never forget the lessons you taught, the way you showed love, and the battles you fought. You were my hero, my guiding light. Now I carry on to keep up the fight. I'll keep your memory alive, knowing that we will